started recording it. Let me present my screen, okay? And let me know once you guys able to see my screen, folks.
Yeah, we can see the screen.
Is it visible?
Yeah, yes, now.
So we are going to learn some important topic today. Very, very important interview question, okay? See, folks, at the end of the sessions, okay, don't ask me for interview questions because whatever we learn is going to be a interview questions. Got it?
Yeah, okay.
So we are going to learn a concept called polymorphism. Got it?
Okay.
What is the meaning of polymorphism? Today is day 5. Okay. Poly. Let's split it up into two types. What do you mean by poly? One form to many form, correct?
Yeah.
One to many. What is meaning of morphing? Let me tell you. So can you guys take a rose as an example? Okay. A rose can be used for Valentine gift. A rose is used to beautify a woman's head. A rose is used to decorate a car. A rose is used to decorate a picture. A rose is used in wedding ties. So a rose has been polymorphed into many forms. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So the same methodology, same techniques we are going to use in our methods. Okay, shall we do that? So polymorphism can be achieved by method overloading and method overriding. Okay, we'll learn one by one. Got it? So I
Okay.
told you a rose example, right? One form to many form, correct?
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So let's take an example. Okay, can we have same method name? Can we have same method name for two methods? What is your answer?
No.
No. Okay, I have an addition method. Okay, int a equal to 20. Int Arvind Priya, everyone, can you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So Arvind Yes. Priya, if you're not able to see my screen, you can rejoin again. Okay. Int c equal to a plus b. So next, I'm adding three numbers. What I'm doing?
Three numbers.
So it is doing different actions, right? Yes or no, folks? It is doing
Yeah.
different actions, but I cannot have same method name. That is true, right?
Yeah.
But addition method is not polymorphed. Cannot be polymorphed with the same method name, correct?
Yes.
But using method overloading, we can do that polymorphism. We can do that polymorphism. With using method overloading, what can be achieved? We can have same method name.
Okay.
But see, you need to understand the core of it. Why we are learning this? Different using method overloading, we can have same method name but different arguments passed to it. We can have same method name but different arguments passed to it. Got it? What do you mean by different arguments passed to it? Let me tell you. See, the, you are loading a method using arguments. So you are making some difference here. So can you have same method name? Can you have same method name? Yes.
Mm,
Let's
yes.
take calculator program. Okay. I have only one addition method. It is going to add 20 plus 22 numbers. It is going to add 20 plus 33 numbers. It is going to add 40 numbers, 50 numbers, whatever numbers I'm going to add. I have only one addition method. Yes or no?
Yes.
So a single method should be there. See, I'm making some difference using arguments, correct? So now, why it is showing an error? Why it is showing an error? Because of same method name with same arguments, right?
Yeah, okay.
So I need to make some difference. See, error gone, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
Any questions? Now you will be having a question where I will be passing the data when I create an object for this. When I create an object for this, I will be passing 10, I mean, numbers to it. If
Okay.
I pass three numbers, which method will be called?
The second one.
So, by seeing, you are saying, but while compiling, it will understand which method needs to be called, right?
Yeah.
If I pass c dot add two numbers, which method will be called?
Add int A, comma B
First
into B.
method. So, it is
First,
known as compile time polymorphism. What is that?
compile time polymorphism.
Compile time polymorphism. Why it is called as compile time polymorphism? Why it is called as compile time polymorphism, folks?
Because
Well, I
during
mean,
compilation only.
based on the arguments you are passing, it will match the method. It will match the method, and it will match the method. See, folks, based on the arguments you are passing, it will match the method, and it will call the. It will compile and call the method. It will compile and that is why it is called as,
Compile time modifiers.
and is also called as static polymorphism. What is the meaning of static polymorphism? Your logic cannot be changed. Your value only can be changed. Your values only change, but logic cannot be changed. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So take your assignment. I want you to develop 5 addition, 5 subtraction, 5 division, 5 multiplication using method overloading. Got it? Got it,
Okay.
folks?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Usually, when at what cases we'll be using this one, Naveen?
You will be using for changing the names of the files. So while you work on the files, right, you will be knowing it.
Okay.
Okay. So method overloading is something very important concept you will be using in Selenium everywhere. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions on this method overloading? And you guys are clear with the assignments, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So next concept is going to be what? Method
Overriding.
overriding. What do you mean by method overriding? Overriding the logic. So logic can be changed, correct?
Yeah.
Overriding the logic. Logic can be changed. So it is called as dynamic what polymorphism. So you need to understand each and every terms because interviewers can took their questions at any way. Got it? Got it, folks?
Yeah.
So they can change the logic. Say for example, let's take an example, okay? You are working for a service based company. You are working for what company?
Service based.
Service based company. One second, folks. Okay, guys. Overriding the logic can be changed. It is called as dynamic polymorphism. Okay. So you are working for a service based, and your client is asking to display the date in the format of dd dash mm dash yyyy. Okay. So what you will be doing? You will be displaying the date, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
And while running the program, right? While running the program, after seeing the output, your client is not happy. Your client is not happy. And she wants to change the requirement to change the format into dd-mm-yy format. Okay? So, what is happening here? Is this the client mistake or your mistake? Folks, I need some response, okay, so that it will be an
Uh,
interesting conversations. It is a client mistake or your mistake?
it's client requirement.
Client mistake.
Louder, louder.
Yeah, it's client change mistake.
It's requirement change,
But
correct? You
yeah,
are working for an agile methodology, so
yes,
your requirement can change at any time.
yeah,
But you have worked as per the client requirement, right?
yeah,
So you cannot go and delete because you are not working for free. Yes or no?
yes,
You are
Yes.
not working for free.
free, yeah,
So everything should be on track, correct?
yes,
Before changing the requirement, what was it? So what we will be doing? We will be creating a new requirement. Okay,
Okay.
yeah,
with the same method name. With the same method name, by inheriting this class here, extends. Okay,
okay,
with the what with the same, what we will do, we will same with the same method, I mean method name, we will be changing the requirement to 10 September 2025. So now if you create an object for this, see, date is having here and here also. So which one it will give importance? Which one will give importance? It will give importance to the overridden method. Okay, it will give importance to the
Overriding.
overridden method. That's why it is called as runtime polymorphism. What it is called as? So if you want to see the track before overloading, what was there, you can call that method and you can see that before overloading it was this, right? Yes or no?
yes,
Any questions on
okay.
this method overloading concept, folks? Any questions
No,
on this method overloading concept?
do we have any restriction to the number of times we are overriding, or we can do
Anytime
in
you can
10
overload.
times?
Anytime
Okay,
you can overload. See, override. So in real time, which concept will be highly used? Obviously, you will be using method overloading concept only because this overriding, you guys are not developers, okay?
yeah.
So what you will be doing, you will be working on overloading only. One second, I'll be back. Any questions, folks? Folks, any questions?
No.
Hello. Okay, let's learn the
No,
next concept called constructor.
yeah,
Okay. So folks, what is constructor? Constructor is a special method. Constructor is a what method? Special method which will
Special
not have any return type.
return
It will not have any
return type.
return type, and it will be same name as
Class name.
class name. We will have only one constructor for one class. We will have one constructor, one constructor for one class. See folks, what is the benefits of constructor? Can you guys create a constructor for this? I'll tell you the benefits. Okay, please learn the benefits. See, it will not have any return type, correct?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
See, what is the benefits of creating a constructor? You no need to call it specially. While creating an object itself, you are calling here, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So this automatically, while creating an object, it will be this constructor will be called. This constructor will be
Called.
called.
Okay.
See, where you will be using in real time, you will be using in Selenium concept like page object model and all, right? You will
Mm.
Yeah.
be learning all these things like while learning Cucumber concept. Cucumber, you will be learning it there. You will be using all this constructor. This is very very important interview questions. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll tell you what is constructor chaining as well. Okay,
Mm.
see, I have one. I'm extending this constructor learning. I have this one constructor here, and also I have one constructor. I'm going to create one constructor here. Correct? See, one second. So I have two constructor here. Correct? If I create an object for one constructor, that is the child constructor, it will give importance to the parent constructor first, and then it will come to the child constructor. See, first Superman is called, and then only what is called child class is called.
I know. Okay.
So this is what it is called as constructor chaining. Very 1000% interview questions. Okay. What is
Okay.
interview question?
Constructor chaining.
Constructor chaining.
1000% interview question. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, folks. And I'll tell you the last concept for today. Okay. Loops. Very, 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 very important for your life. Okay. We are going to learn for loop. Okay. So, folks, let's take the array example. Okay. So, you are using this array, right? Yesterday. Yes or no? In order to
Yes.
print the data, so what I will be doing, I will be printing like this: 0,
Yeah.
1, 2, like this only I will be printing, right? Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yeah.
So I mean, if there are handful of data, I can print that. But if I have thousands of data, how I can print that? Let's learn the automated version of for loop, easy version of for loop. Shall we see that? This you will be used in a lifetime. Okay,
Okay.
easy
Okay.
process. Okay. So
Okay.
what is the data type?
String.
So
String.
this is what you need to do. Can't you guys do that? Yes.
Yeah.
So what is the data type?
String.
Copy and
String.
paste it.
String.
And assign any variable you want. What variable you want to
Mm.
assign?
Yes.
Yes. And put a colon. And what array you want to iterate?
Names.
Names.
Copy and paste it. Your for loop is ready and you need to print this yes. That's it. All your data will be printed one by one. It is an automated version of for loop which is called as enhanced for loop. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
How is it? Is it easy?
Yeah.
Easy.
Very easy, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So can you guys tell me how to print this data
So,
using? You cannot do manipulations like I want to print it in reverse order and all. You can't do it. But we can iterate the data. Iterate
Yeah.
meaning print one by one. Can you guys tell me how to print this ID?
Yeah. For
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 int
int.
what is the data type?
integer int
Int.
Copy and paste it.
I
Anything you want, you can do that.
ID.
What do you want to
Okay.
print here?
a
Yeah.
Easy, right?
Yeah.
Any questions? Any questions?
So, one second,
Louder,
one
louder.
question.
I want you to
Yeah,
ask questions little bit louder.
yeah, yeah. In normal for loop, there will be a increment, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So
This
here,
is an
how
advanced version,
increment?
buddy. I'll come to the
Yeah,
traditional for loop
yeah.
afterwards. You have questions on traditional for loop only, right?
No, no, no. So I'm asking how the increment happen in
It
this
is an
for loop.
that's what I'm saying, right? It is an automated version. It will start with the
Okay,
zeroth index and it will end to the last one.
okay, okay, okay.
Got
Fine.
it?
Yeah, yeah.
Names of 0 will be assigned to yes and yes will be printed. Names of 1 will be assigned to yes, yes will be printed. Until it's till it will go to the last index, it is going to do the action. Got it?
Yeah,
So this
okay.
enhanced version only you will be using in real time everywhere. In collection concept also, just you are going to pass the collection. Got it?
Yeah, okay, okay.
Okay. Let's learn traditional for loop also today and then let's wind up for today's session. Okay.
Okay.
This is a older version of for loop. It is an obviously it is going to be the index based. Okay. Older
Mm.
version of what loop?
For loop.
So for doing all these things, see, I was same concept. Okay. I want to print from zero to last index. Correct?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So for if your requirement is to write a traditional for loop, if you are see you need to follow my shortcut. Okay. To write traditional for loop, what do you need to do? You need to be clear with the 3 points. You need to split your recommend into 3 points. Where to start? It is a where to end and increment or decrement. So now tell me, it is an index based, right? Where to start?
Zeroth index.
Where to start? Tell me louder.
Zero.
Zero.
Zero is a integer, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Let me save it as I equal to zero. Okay. Where to
Okay.
end? No,
Length of
no, no.
Four.
Where to end?
last
Four.
One, two, three, four, five. It's
five.
going to be five, right?
Mm. Yes.
Yes or no? But
Yes, yes.
there is no index based called 5.
Mm. Length of the array only.
1 second. So where to end? It is a condition. Okay. I want to end. The last index will be always like what? Length minus 1, correct?
Also, yeah.
Yeah. In
Yes
minus
or
one.
no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So I can say that I lesser than names dot length. Names dot length is going to give me what?
Length of the
That is
Array.
5, correct?
Yeah.
So obviously it will end with 4, right?
Yeah.
four.
So
Yes.
increment, obviously I plus 1 meaning 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
So what you
Yeah.
need to do, just copy and paste it. Whenever your requirement is right to for loop, right? Traditional for loop, you need to do these things. Okay? If you print I, what will happen? Your index values will be printed. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Index value is getting printed up to what number?
Four.
Even if
Four.
it's 1000 number, it is going to print all this data, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now very simple. Names of I, right?
Yeah.
Names of yeah.
Are you guys clear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
do the manipulations, okay? Let's do the manipulations. I want to print in reverse order. Now same concept. Where to start? Where to
Last.
end? Increment or decrement? My recommend is to print in reverse order, okay?
Okay.
Now tell me where to start.
Length. New
I
start.
see. I is
Length
equal
will
to
give you
four.
5, okay? Int I equal to what?
Four.
Five.
Names, 4,
Sorry.
if you know the value, you can put the 4, but
Okay. Okay.
it should be a dynamic
Name
value.
dot length
Length
minus one.
minus 1 will give you what?
Four.
4. I should be greater than or equal to
Zero.
0. Increment or decrement?
Decrement.
Sorry?
Decrement.
Decrement. So that's it. Copy and paste it. Easy, right?
Yeah.
So for doing manipulations and all, you need to do all these things, correct?
Yes, yes. So for decrement and increment, for decrement we are using this for loop. So that advanced for loop also we can use for decrement. Huh?
You cannot use the. I told you right. While I teach you this loops, I mean enhance follow. You can't do the manipulations over here.
Okay, okay.
Got it?
Yeah,
Okay, folks. So now take your assignments. Okay. I want you to get your name in scanner class. I want to print the names in reverse order. Okay. So what if I enter Naveen? My output should be what should be displayed? Nivan. Got it?
yeah.
Okay.
So what method you need to use here instead of names of I? It is a
Carrot,
string manipulation. It is
carrot,
character, caret, right?
carrot. Yeah,
Very good. That's it. Complete your assignments, method overloading, and what is that? Your reverse concept, and let me know. That's it for today, folks. The topics which we learned it's going to be very, 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 very important interview questions. Make sure you are doing it perfectly. Thank you so much for joining. Take care.
yeah. Thank you, Naveen.
Thank you.
Thank
Anything
you.
else you want to discuss? Folks, are we good?
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
Take care, buddy.